teach biomedical sciences at the CTE Academy. It's a series of medical science classes starting with Principles of Biomedical Sciences. People call that one BioMed 1. Then Human Body Systems is the second course, BioMed 2, followed by Medical Interventions, which is BioMed 3. I have students from all Sioux Falls High School and some surrounding schools, and they all have a little bit of an interest in working in medicine. And they're not sure if they want that to be patient care or behind the scenes, but they're interested in science. They have a wide variety of interests and a wide variety of career goals. Students walk away with a solid foundation in medical science. That's something that'll help them in future AP classes or college coursework. Confidence working in the lab. They're going to have skills such as working with micropipettes and DNA to microscopes, all the way to clinical care, things like measuring blood pressure or helping a patient learn how to use a walker. Those skills then translate into confidence in further coursework and also in their college studies.
We started off with we're kind of learning about the anatomy of the body, started off with the bones, and then we went into DNA and all that, and now we're down to muscles. We're learning about that.
I want to go into the more experiment science-y part of health and science careers, and so it just sounded a lot more interesting to me. We do a lot of hands-on learning. I really enjoy doing gel electrophoresis. You take the micropipette and you fill it up with DNA, and then you inject it into a little well in this gel. And then when you run electricity through it, it separates the bands of DNA, and you can identify similar bands of DNA.
I thought that I might be in a medical profession when I'm older, and I was kind of unsure, but after taking this class, I'm pretty sure that I want to go in for physical therapy because I really like working with that type of stuff.
I think the best thing about biomedical science is the people. The fact that you get to come together each day with students from all across the school district that are like-minded with similar goals and similar ambitions, and you get to collaborate with them and work with them each day, it creates a special environment, a good energy in the classroom.
I want to double major in biology and biomedical engineering. It's so much fun, so much more fun than just sitting in a classroom and taking notes.